Okay, g'day, Rudy here. This video is all about the food ETF. It's one I've been promoting. This is a monthly chart we're looking at here. Promoting for a while to get into, along with in line with the long-term resource play. Obviously, food is one of them. You can't really buy like real food, grains, wheats, soybeans. They're they're more futures investments, which are risky. Anyways, so this food ETF, basically, so it's got the largest global agricultural companies outside of Australia, hedged into Aussie dollars, so you don't have to worry about currency differences. So you can see there's 8%, 8%, 7, 7, 7, 4. So we'll go through these in order. So just remember, as we go through the order, the weighting starts to go down a bit. So it's a weekly chart. So it's done its thing. It's broken out, and it's spent the last, so since beginning of June, consolidating. Looks like it wants to have a go. It wants to keep going. So if we look at the companies underneath, so we've got Marubeni. So they purchase, distribute and market industrial and consumer goods, including farming. So they've broken the iron dome. That's what we want BHP to do. So there, it looks like they're off and away. Archer Daniel. So they're in the procurement, transportation, storage, processing and merchandising of agricultural commodities, ingredients, flavours. So they've been through a hard time, but broken the downtrend. Had a bit of time consolidating that support here and said, okay, I'm ready to go. So that's good. Corteva. So they're in seed and crop protection. So they've broken out of this little triangle wedge here. Doesn't look like it wants to come back here, so it's come back to the moving average, and looks like it wants to go on with it. Deere & Co. So they're a manufacturer and distributor of farming equipment. Okay, they might need a breather. It'd be better if it was down here and taking off, but you can't win them all. It's not to say that's the top. They can easily go and kick above. Nutrien. So they provide crop inputs and services involved in potash, quite a in favour commodity. So they've broken. Actually, looks like the food ETF chart, doesn't it? So broken the declining wedge, up, down, test support. Looks like it's not going to come back down here. Kubota Corp. So they're I think Japanese manufacturer of agricultural machinery. So that's forming a very bullish pattern. If we can get back up here and keep anyway. For now, this first steps. Got a declining wedge here, really long-term one too. So it's broken and just consolidating. So actually, I should put it in. So this will be the next. That'll be its next testing area, but that looks good to go. Now this is New Farm. It's not in the ETF, but it's one of ours. One of our boys. They develop manufacturing Crop protection, so in the same sort of space. So they're trading on support as well. So if you want to buy local, been hammered a bit here. So that might take a bit to recover from. Now if we look at food over VAS, so this is the price chart of food over the ASX 300. So it's just basically the VAS and food have, so for the last year, they've basically been moving in tandem. Interesting. Food over the NASDAQ, NDQ. So it's actually been outperforming the NASDAQ since the beginning of the year. Forming a nice little, another little declining channel there. So a break above that's very bullish. And then the final one, the King, you always got to benchmark these against the King now, the MVR, the resource ETF. So if it's going up, it means MVR is outperforming food. So the last couple of weeks they've been equal. MVR's probably got the upper hand, but this the reason you do this is for diversification. That's why you do it. So you got everything, not just resources out of the ground, but a bit of food exposure. All right. Hope you like it. So.